Importing project data from Smartsheet into Office Timeline Online lets you quickly turn your sheets into clear and beautiful timelines. But first, you need to set up your Smartsheet plan for importing. So let's begin with that. For a successful Smartsheet import, our tool needs to draw from your sheet, your task or milestone titles, start dates and end dates. Percentage complete and notes are also importable, but they are optional. The duration column can be used to detect milestones automatically, so make sure their duration is 0 before importing. Once everything is formatted properly, you can move on to importing your Smartsheet data. On the Office Timeline Online homepage, click on Import Data and choose Import from Smartsheet. Now you must log in to your Smartsheet account. Click Allow Access to enable the Smartsheet and Office Timeline online integration. Next, select the desired sheet. Then make sure that the columns are properly mapped. If you want to disable any of them, just click on the X symbols in the headers. And if you want to add back or change a header, just drag it to the top of the corresponding column. The final step is to select which rows you want to see in your slide. You can use the checkboxes next to each row to select or deselect individual tasks and milestones, or you can use the checkbox above to select all rows. Once you're done, click on Import, and there you go. Office Timeline Online has imported all our designated Smartsheet data into the visual that you can now go ahead and customize further to your heart's content. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.